So the FCC is a future circular collider that is based on a 91-kilometer tunnel infrastructure in the Ginevra region. It is linked to the existing CERN complex, and it can house two different colliders. In a stage 1, it would house a lepton collider that we call FCCEE. In the stage 2, it would house a hadron collider that we call FCCHH. Now, the main challenges for construction of such a huge, large-scale infrastructure are manifold. We have to ensure the integration of the infrastructure in the region. So we have to do a lot of work with the host states, with the local population, on the environmental sector, on the sustainability sector. At the same time, we have to watch for the geological conditions to ensure that the tunnel can be built in a low-risk, fast and efficient way. And then, of course, we have our core competencies, optimizing the machine designs of the lepton collider, of the hadron collider, with the key technologies being the superconducting radio frequency system and the high-field magnet system. And all these aspects need to be put together, and then we need to develop a cost estimate to bring all the relevant information to the society, to the domain experts, to the funding agencies, to allow the discussion and possible decision about such a future project.